we go. I think I'm being a little brave trying to do this for a class, but so if I mess this up, we have the basics for this one, don't we? I don't, you know, brave would really be putting red thread in. Okay, I'm going to try and start off with your thread out of the way, because if that gets caught on the top, that's really, let me see if I can just pull that. There we go. Yeah, try and keep that thing out of your way. And you do have to hold it when you first start off, or it'll suck it in. Okay, so you've practiced on your scrap a little bit, right? Everybody did a little bit of practicing. So I'm going to start down here at the bottom middle, and I'm actually going to move this way and work my way up to the top. And pick a small or a big. Big would be ideal if you didn't want to spend too much time getting it wrong or getting it right. I bet you guys will do okay. Okay, here we go. And start off slow, and remember, we don't want to cross, okay? You don't want to cross, you don't want to go outside that seam, and you don't want to push it too quick or uneven. Otherwise, you'll have not a smooth kind of, come back down, go back up. Oops. If you have to stop, remember, don't move your fabric when you stop, okay? You don't want to start off. There we go. Of where you want to stop, and then give it a stitch or two in place, and then cut it. Okay, that's really all there is to it. And I just did right that first one. Now I'm going to move down here, and your bobbin thread is still hooked when you're moving this. So if you don't want that pulling all over the place, if it's not a real long distance, and then the top thread, of course, you're just going to cut that. And the bottom thread, I think we have that pulled out enough that, let me just cut that. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to do this one down here, and this time I'm going to start at the top and move my way down. And let's see, I started in about 1/4 of an inch, trying to make it kind of uniform. Okay. And if you have to stop and look and see what you did on the other one to make sure you're getting it all uniform, just kind of stop and take a peek. Yep. Don't cross over. You can come down a little. When you start getting comfortable, speed it up a little bit. Kind of visualize a little stopping point. 1, 2, and cut that. That's all there is to it. It's not hard, and I think it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to finish doing the white on this quilt, and then we are going to square it up and put the binding on.